Keeping a mind at peace can be a difficult task when facing many of life's challenges, but this man has made a career out of the word peace.
Just clap it out. Mine is like this, right? Clap.
Kevin Zwala, known by many as Mr. Peace, is a national youth motivating speaker, visiting groups of people to tell his message built on kindness, love, and peace. He began his career in sales, but quickly knew he was meant for something different.
When I was still a student at the University of Michigan, Ann Arbor, I started an event called Peace Day. And the first year that I did it, a newspaper picked up the story.
Mr. Peace, as he's become known, has been across the country giving talks and performing his positive renditions of hip-hop songs. Today's visit was to Negaunee High School, his second time to the school.
That's what I'm trying to do, is ultimately change like a culture or a climate of a school by coming back again and again, and then kind of instilling in them and imparting on their hearts to say, look, you are the ones that can be the change.
Some students say that these talks help them feel better about their personal goals, while others say the inspirational aspect of it carries throughout the rest of the day.
I think it was very inspiring, especially the video near the end where it showed the act of kindness around the whole world.
Just showing how one act can go from one person to another, it definitely changed the way I look at things.
He says you might have planted the positivity seed, but one act of kindness can snowball into a large movement for positive change.
One breath can maybe change a heart forever, maybe even save a life.
Mitchell Reif, WZMQ 19 News, Negaunee.